Alright, let's talk about how you would how you write the equation of a line if they gave you a point and a slope. Now we're going to go with the case that is not the y-intercept first, and then we'll do another one where it is the y-intercept, okay? So this is a more complicated case. This is not a y-intercept. You know a y-intercept if x equals 0, then you can actually take a big shortcut, but we'll get to that in just a second. So the big idea is this. Your ultimate job, when you're done, you're going to have y equals a number times x plus another number. It gives you this number. If it gives you the slope, that's m. So your job is to find that. What you're going to do is you're going to plug in the x and the y it gave you. You're going to plug in the slope it gave you, and then you're going to solve for b. So let's do that. Negative 4 is y, right? That's y. That's x. M is 2/3. 2/3 times 6 plus b. Now, after you plug it in, you always want to simplify it. So you plug it in, then you simplify it, then you solve it, okay? So put a 1 under it, right? 6 is divisible by 3. 3 goes into 3 one time. 3 goes into 6 two times. 2 times 2 is 4. Then again, write this next step out. Don't do it in your head. If you're ever having any trouble, it's probably because you skipped that step. Our y-intercept is negative 8. So our y-intercept is 0, negative 8. But for our answer, we have now b is negative 8. We know that the slope is 2/3 minus 8. There's our answer. So use your clues, plug everything in, multiply or reduce, whatever you need to do, simplify that, and then use inverse operations to solve it, and you're done. So plug it in, simplify it, solve it, done. Now let's talk about a simpler case where let's say it gave you a slope of negative 4/5, and let's say it gave you the point 0, 4.3, right? I don't know. This one's actually super easy because that is our y-intercept. So I know that b is equal to 4.3. So I know m and I know b. You're plugging all that stuff into this. You don't even have to do any algebra. All you got to do is plug everything in. So y equals, our slope was negative 4/5, x plus 4.3, and we're done. Boom, done, easy peasy.